Hi, Sketch friends. Are you ready to beat the heat with the cutest tropical treat ever? Well, today we're drawing this adorable pineapple popsicle, and it's dripping with kawaii vibes. Well, let's dive in and make summer even sweeter. So we're gonna curve a line up. So this is gonna be the body of the popsicle. We're actually gonna make a second layer here. We're gonna add some wavy lines. We're gonna make it a little drippy. Awesome. Okay, let's work on that second layer. And you can see we're curving a line down. Good job. And now this is going to be the popsicle stick. So these two marks determine the width of the popsicle stick. And then I'm going to go ahead and curve a line down. Okay, let's work on the expression. So I like to move my hand in a circular motion. Then I kind of put my pencil down on the paper. And we're gonna add some white dots inside of the eyes. That's a characteristic of kawaii style art. So we're gonna have these big eyes. And we're gonna have a little mouth. So about right here, we're gonna add a little smiley face. Awesome. We gotta ramp up the cuteness with some rosy cheeks. And then now we're gonna go ahead and begin working on the pattern, the little pineapple pattern. So you can see these are diagonal lines, evenly spaced. And then we're gonna go perpendicular. It means we're gonna go in the opposite direction. And once again, evenly space the lines. Bam, right there, guys, good job. Now let's start to work on the top of the pineapple. We're gonna use some overlapping, so draw lightly. We're gonna do some erasing here. So this is going to be the top of the pineapple. And that's going to be in the back. This one's going to be in front of it. So this is called overlapping. And I'm going to erase off this construction line because that leaf is supposed to be in the back. Draw another one coming out here to the left. And this one here is going to be behind. Go ahead and add another one right here. So this one is going to be in front of all these leaves. So we're going to erase that little construction line out. Wow. It's looking good, guys. Well, if you want to make your pineapple popsicle 3D, we're going to use a 45-degree angle, add a little bit of thickness. You can see on the popsicle stick. And then we'll do the same thing on the popsicle. So about a 45-degree angle, then add thickness. And once again, we're going to go ahead and add that 45-degree angle and then add a little bit of thickness. And if you don't have Posca markers, don't worry. You can color with whatever you have. We're basically going to be using colors value today. So in our color palette today, we're going to have like a yellow green and green. We'll also have yellow and yellow ochre, beige and brown. That's going to be our color palette. So this is the apple green and the green. Now we have the yellow, putting in that base color. And then now back in with the darker yellow ochre for the patterns and the thickness, and beige and brown. And just touching up that outline. Well, hey guys, thank you for joining me today. Go ahead and check out the playlist at the end of the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.